I have been in rooms most people have never gotten access through my work, through connections and opportunities that put me right next to people you'd recognize immediately. And by the end of the video, I'm going to tell you about a celebrity, someone you absolutely know who is completely broke right now. Not struggling publicly, but broke behind the image. I want you to picture someone. Designer everything, cars, jewelry, a constant stream of people around them, the kind of life that looks like success from every angle. Now, I want you to understand this. A lot of that is rented. I've met women who were recognized everywhere they went. Their entire income depended on attention. And there's the thing about attention. It is not loyal. It does not show up constantly. It does not care about your bills. Meanwhile, I was doing something different. No spotlight, no viral moment, no massive following, just building quietly, owning the structure, creating systems that produced income whether or not anyone was watching me. And I was out earning people who looked far more successful than me. That's the difference between looking wealthy and actually being financially secure. And most people, most women especially, are being sold the look instead of the foundation. Now, this is what I want you to hear. Influence can disappear extremely overnight. Ownership compounds over time. Those are not the same game. You can have 100,000 followers and still have zero control over your income because you don't own the system producing it. You're waiting to be chosen, waiting for the algorithm, waiting for the brand deal, waiting for someone to give you permission to earn. And that is not a business, that is performance. When you own your offer, when you have a real skill packaged into something people actually pay for, you stop waiting. You stop performing for approval. You start building something that actually works for you. I work with women making $100K who are smart, talented, and completely undercharging for what they do. They're focused on looking credible instead of building something profitable. They're investing in aesthetics when they should be investing in their offer. Your skill is asset, not your following, not your content, not how polished your brand looks. Your skill turned into the right offer is where the money actually is. Now, I told you that I would name them, and I could. But I'm not going to, because the moment I say a name, that becomes the story. And the person is not the point. The point is the pattern. I've seen it more than once. Big names, bigger names, nothing real underneath it. And I refuse to let that be the story that you tell yourself or the woman that I work with. So let me ask you something directly. Would you rather have 1 million followers or $1 million from something you actually own? Because those are two completely different paths. One gives you attention, the other gives you options. And the women who understand that early, they move differently. They stop chasing visibility and start building leverage. If you're a woman who is making under 100K and you know your skill is worth more than what you're actually earning, the link is in the description.